Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see here, I have my Stash Invest app pulled up, and this is week 9 of the All Investment Review. As you guys remember, I put $1,000 into this portfolio about 9 weeks ago and bought every one of the available investment options. There are 38 in total, 37 ETFs or exchange traded funds, and one stock, and that one stock is up top there, Roll with Buffett. And as you guys remember, these are all rebranded underlying securities. Roll with Buffett is actually ticker symbol BRK.B, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated Class B stock. So again, these are all underlying ETFs that Stash Invest buys on your behalf, 38 in total. And you can also see here the last price of this stock was $180.73, but the investment I have is $129.54. So unlike some of the other brokerage accounts, you can buy fractional shares with this application. So you can buy fractional shares. There are 38 investment options. And the whole idea behind this portfolio was to evaluate, are these good options? And if so, what kind of percent return can you expect from these options? So that's why I bought every single one of the investment application options. This isn't trying to maximize return. This is really a review of the application investment options in and of themselves. And so far, I've been very, very impressed with the application. At week 9, you can see we have made $45.91. Total return is $52.91, and that discrepancy, $7, is because of fees taken out of the portfolio value by Robinhood, or excuse me, by Stash Invest. So unlike Robinhood, Stash Invest does charge a fee. It's $1 for balances less than $5,000, and then 0.25% of whatever value you have beyond that. But I think for most investors, the dollar a month is really where you're going to be taking a look at. That's really what's going to be taken out of your account. I think if you have more than $5,000, take that money, move it to Robinhood. You can buy the same exact securities, but with no fees charged per month. So very impressed, 5.33% total return. And as I scroll down the list here, you can see a lot of these particular investment options have been very, very good. Roll with Buffett here, the one stock on the application, 7.95% return. Defending America, 9.67%. As I scroll down here, you can see quite a few stocks in the 10+% range, as well as quite a few in the 5 to 10% range. Internet Titans, 8.55%. Blue Chips, 3.5%. American Innovators, 7.35%. And again, I remind you guys to click on the stock, go into the overview, and you can see what the underlying security is. So this one here, Modern Meds, very, very strong, 20+% return since I bought it 9 weeks ago. SPDR, S&P Biotech ETF, ticker XBI, very, very strong. Colossal China as well, 14.14. Clean and Green, 6.14. Social Media Mania, 12.15. And as I continue scrolling down, you can see a lot of these investment options have been very, very good. This is great for new investors who don't know exactly which stock to buy. If you jump onto Robinhood, it's a little bit overwhelming. There are literally 20, 30, 40,000 different stocks to buy. On this application, there's 38, and so far, no matter which one you bought, you would have a nice little return, even if you had no idea exactly what the markets are, what you should be taking a look at, what particular market sector has been performing or not. All of these have been very, very good. And as I continue scrolling down, there are a few that don't have great performance, but still in the green. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom, I think there are 4 that are in the negative. So enjoy yourself. This particular investment application option is the PowerShares Dynamic Leisure and Entertainment ETF, ticker symbol PEJ. You can see this is probably the worst performing investment option so far in the application, down 2.97%. Actually, Retail Therapy right above that is 4.43%. Wireless Wonders, 2.11% in the negative. So there's 3 stocks out of all of those 38 stocks that are in the negative. So you really can't go wrong being a new investor, having zero knowledge about the markets, and picking any one of these investment options. 35 out of the 38 are in the green, so that's very, very good. And there are a few here that haven't performed well. But again, if you are looking to maximize returns, you can simply sell these off and then jump into any of the others that have been performing very, very well. So I'm just going to kind of scroll up here very slowly to show you guys exactly what the performance of each and every one of these investment options has been. Please refer to the right. You can see the percent return so far. So very, very good with this particular investment application. Very, very good for new investors. I've been quite impressed with this. So yeah, just wanted to talk about the portfolio. As you guys know, I've been doing a weekly review. I'm going to continue following this forward. The markets have been very, very strong. So as you would expect, all of these investment options have done very well. It'll be interesting to see when there's a little bit of a pullback, which I anticipate will be happening within the next 6 to 9 months, maybe up to a year, to see what these investment application options do. Will they still perform as well or not? Don't quite know, but we'll kind of follow and take a look and see what the performance is. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video updating you guys on every one of the investment options and what kind of return you can expect. Again, this isn't meant to be a max return portfolio. This is meant to independently look at each one of the investment options and follow along to see what the rate of return is. Again, this is week 9, and I'll be doing this indefinitely moving forward. Maybe even put a little bit more money in if this investment is really performing strongly. So, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the support. I love the ideas you've been giving me. There's quite a few that I'm backlogging that I'm going to get out. I definitely appreciate that. Keep those coming. And again, if you guys have any questions, anything at all, please let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely fashion. So, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.